Hey y'all, how's everyone doing? Well, I'm going to do a very quick purse changeover because I got in a purse that I had a while back and I thought I would share it with you. First of all, the purse I'm changing over from, y'all have seen this, but this is my little YSL Bucket bag and I have so enjoyed this, y'all. I think this is called the small, and it is small. I mean, it is, I'm holding it next to my face so y'all can see. And it closes with this piece. It's very simple. And sometimes I just leave that down in there and just take it like that. But I love that it's got a top handle and this, so I can grab this real quick when I'm in the car or to put it in the car. But then when I'm shopping or walking or whatever, I've got the shoulder strap. So this is full. And this is what I got. I got my first lightly loved Hermes 25. And when I first got it, I was like, this seems so small. But I guess I'm used to my 35. And I just taught, y'all know that I'm putting it up for sale, probably with the Real, or I was. But they're not even giving me half. And so I'm like, I'm going to be looking at some of the other ones to see. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. But anyway, look how little. So just comparatively, I'll show you. It is small, y'all. I mean, it is really small. But, I mean, it is a 25. So it's got about the same width on the bottom. And then also, I'm sure because this is clamped shut, I could put the rest of stuff in there. But the really neat thing about this is called a touch, and it's got this alligator imprint here. It also is bent. It's the little closure piece right there. Hold on, let me show you. That right there is bent down a little bit. And I don't know if that didn't happen in shipment, because this was, the person that pre-owned this was from England, the UK. So it could have been in shipment. It's in very good shape. So this piece, most people push back anyway and do not even use that. It has probably the lock and close shut in here. Let's just double check. Hold on. Little key thing, just making sure I got my H lock. Yep, there's that. And I can tell that is not original to this purse. It's not original. It's too brassy. Yep, they must have had to get one because they didn't have it. Let's see if this is original. Yes, this is original. You know what? I say that. Let's see. The key has to work. If it's original, the key will work. Right? Hold on. Or, no, I guess they could have put these little keys on this, because maybe it was too scratched up and they got a new one. Is it unlocking it? Yes, it unlocked it. It just looks really brassy, though. Anyway, who knows? Here's the thing. I may or may not even put it on there. It's got the Hermes with the square, made in Paris, France. Let's see. Let's look for some things that I should be looking for. Hold on. There we go. It does have the Hermes logo on it, and it's actually still got the plastic. Yeah, this definitely got bent. So I wonder if that's why, or if that, like I said, happened in transit getting it here. But it is small, y'all. Let me show you for comparison. Hold on and I'll show you real quick. And of course, because it's an Hermes, they don't have actual, hold on, I'll show you my big one. They don't actually show you actually, you know what? This one has a really shiny one too. So they're just shiny. Look at the difference. It's a baby. It's the mama and the baby. Look, this is a 35. This is the one I'm selling. And this is a 25. I do like it. I mean, it's a completely different purpose of having a bag, right? Because obviously that one is for just like this one. Running to store, things like that. And literally, I am fixing to transfer my stuff. So I got my, of all things, I've got my Louis Vuitton, what's it called, a clay? Anyway, it's got my credit cards in it and my car keys, and I'm just going to be dropping that. It's got one, I just noticed it's got one pocket, which is what they do. No, it also has a zipper, so that actually should go on the back. I've got my phone cord. I've got my, I always have to have this, it's my Medi pouch, and it also has some other things in it, but it's got like breather and Benadryl and ibuprofen, that kind of stuff that you only need in an emergency, because I don't really do ibuprofen anymore. Hairspray, that's enough hairspray to be in there. Tissue, look, it's got a little fox on it. Isn't that the cutest? I have to have a seasonal tissue pack. My daddy's. I always have to have myself a handkerchief too. There's some cash, which I will, whoop. What did I do? Somehow I have hooked myself onto this purse. Only me. Only I would do this. I got hooked. My belt loop got hooked on the door to the bathroom when I was rushing to go to the potty. It was awful. My, always keep a compact, oops, and a hand sanitizer, and usually a little lipstick. So where's my lipstick? That one. And a check. I gotta go see about that check. Is that everything? Really? That is everything that was in here. It all made it in just fine. And I am going to add in a few makeup items like some lipstick. And I may also add in my face spray. Anyway, it worked out just perfect. So I thought I'd share that with y'all. And I'll talk to you again soon. Bye!